My camera is not working, and I have been planning this shoot all day long.
What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Zach, and I make videos about photography, amateur videography, camera gear, and vlogs. In today's video, I'm taking the Nikon Z50 out to do a golden hour landscape shoot. I recently learned that there are several sunflower fields in bloom right next to where I live, and I'm taking the opportunity to get out there and get some awesome shots. I'm going to take you along for a ride in just a little bit, but before we get going, let's talk about the gear that I'm taking and really what my thought process is behind choosing what gear I'm going to take for a shoot. All right, before we get going, if you like photography, amateur videography, camera gear, or vlogs, hit that subscribe button down below, give me a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments section what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future to help you out with these things. So we've all been there before, right? We got the bag ready, we're about to go out on a big shoot and get some awesome pictures, and we're staring at this mountain of gear that we've bought over the years. Just want to stuff as much in that bag as you possibly can so you can get the best photos ever. Well, here's the deal. We've all taken way too much gear to a shoot before and have regretted it. It makes your bag heavy, there's too much gear to fumble around with, and honestly, all that extra gear makes you maybe miss shots because you're concerned about using the perfect piece of equipment for the exact moment all the time. So what I like to do, what I've done recently, is before I go out and shoot, I think about what kind of shots I want to get before I get there, right? So for instance, I'm going out to shoot a sunflower field, and I know it's going to be this big open field with these giant awesome sunflowers. So I'm thinking to myself, here's what I want to do. I want to get some super wide angle shots, okay, to be able to show the whole scene, but I also want to be able to zoom in and get that nice isolation between the sunflowers and the background. So this led me to picking just two lenses to take with me on this shoot. For the camera body, I am taking the Nikon Z50 today. It's a small APS-C camera with amazing image quality. In fact, I just did a review on this. I'll pop a link up above. Check that out if you want to learn more about this camera. So for the Z50 though, I'm taking two lenses. Let's talk about those. All right, the first lens is the Tamron 10 to 24 millimeter, really versatile lens, and this lives in my bag most of the time. This gives me the wides, and this gives me the telephotos. This is the Tamron 70 to 200 2.8 G2 lens, and this thing is a heavy beast. This big telephoto lens though, that is going to allow me to really zoom in on those sunflowers and blow that background to smithereens with some beautiful bokeh. Between these two lenses, I have all the focal lengths that I think I'm gonna need for this shoot. The other two cameras I'm taking on this shoot are here. Well, this is a GoPro Hero 8. I am taking this mostly so I can vlog and make this video for you guys. And the next thing is the DJI Mavic Air 2. I want to try out the 48 megapixel stills that this thing can shoot. With the sunflower field being out in the middle of nowhere, essentially, this is going to allow me to get a perspective that I can't get with just my camera because I'm on the ground, right? This I can get up in the air and really show the entire field, and I think it's going to be really cool. So now you know how I think when I choose my gear for a shoot. Let me know in the comment section what your methodology is. That being said, it's time for us to hit the road and go take some pictures of these sunflowers. Let's go.
Okay, so I am headed to the spot. I'm a little concerned that the light might not play nice with us, but it seems like it also has the potential to be a really epic sunset. We've got some clouds in the sky, but the sun is peeking through. Hopefully, I'm gonna get the kind of light that I'm looking for to get some awesome shots. We are here and the sunflowers are gorgeous. Oh man, okay, I think this is really gonna play out well for us. This is just tremendous. Wait till you see this. Are you guys ready to see a huge sunflower field? Oh yes. Here we go. cannot wait to get some pictures. So I'm gonna grab my gear out of the Jeep, and yeah, I'm gonna start firing away while I got some good light. And I really hope we're gonna get just the most beautiful golden hour sunset. I'm not much of a landscape guy, but I do know that timing and lighting is absolutely everything. So I have been planning this shoot all day with the intention of coming out right before golden hour to maximize the amount of shooting time that I get and hopefully get some awesome images. Whew, it is super hot outside, by the way. Something to always bring with you when you're doing any kind of landscape is a giant bottle of water. Let's get it ready to go. Woo, look at that beautiful camera bag full of goodies. Guys, I'm having a catastrophe right now. Error. Press shutter button release to reset. My camera is not working, and I have been planning this shoot all day long. Whew, that was a close one. The camera appears to be working again. I took the battery out, I put a different battery in, I took the adapter off and re-put the adapter on there, tried my other lens. Everything seems to be fine right now. It is worth noting that the lens is super foggy because it is very humid right now. So it's gonna be a couple minutes before I can get a sharp shot. All right, so that wraps up my shooting for the evening. I'm kind of running out of sunlight, as you can see back over there, but it happened. I got some beautiful golden hour sunlight, and I think it's going to be some awesome photos. I got the drone up, that worked pretty well, so we'll see. I got so caught up in how pretty everything was, though, I kind of forgot to film, so hopefully the results will speak for themselves. Let's get back to the house.
Okay, so I'm back at the house and really excited to get in and start editing the photos that I took at the sunflower field today. So if there are a couple lessons to learn from today's video, they would be this. First lesson, don't take more gear than you need. Think about the shots that you want to get, plan accordingly, and take just what you need to get the job done. And the second lesson would be, if you hear about an opportunity, a cool place to go shoot, something interesting happening, load your gear up and go take some pictures. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.